Why is my internet so slow? Fix it in minutes. Before we dive into fixes, let's talk about the most common reasons for slow internet. Too many devices connected, streaming, gaming, and downloads all eat up bandwidth. Weak Wi-Fi signal, distance and walls block signals. Outdated router or modem, older devices may struggle to handle high-speed internet. ISP throttling, some providers slow speeds during peak hours. Background apps and downloads, hidden processes could be using bandwidth. Restart your router and modem, unplug both, wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi, a wired connection is faster and more stable. Change your Wi-Fi channel, log into your router settings and switch to a less crowded channel. Limit connected devices, disconnect unused devices or use QoS settings to prioritize speed. Update router firmware, go to your router settings and install the latest updates. Run an internet speed test, use speedtest.net to compare actual versus expected speeds. Call your ISP, if speeds remain low, check for network outages or upgrade options. Change DNS settings, use faster DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Thank you for hitting that subscribe.